So we are going to see around 100 national parks of India. And remember that the UPSC can ask anything. So, first I said in Srinagar there are the two national parks, and then first I said that Salim Ali, and then second I said that the Chingam National Park, which I said. So in the nearby Srinagar, which are I said that? Yes, Srinagar has nearby Salim Ali National Park and the Chingam National Park. And in the Leh Ladakh, I said that जहाँ पे हिमालय नहीं है, Leh Ladakh is after that. What I said that? Himalayas, other side. Understood? If Himalaya is not there, we'll say Hemis National Park. What I said that? And from the nearby, these I said that Jhelum River and its tributaries are there. Nearby this, Jhelum and its tributaries. And Hemis, I said that. Nearby that I said Indus. स्पेसिफिक रिवर्स नहीं पूछे जाएंगे आपको कौन से हैं, बट जहाँ पे स्पेसिफिक होंगे दैट इंडस एंड देन दीज आर द नेम दे विल आस्क. एंड वन विल सी इन द किश्तवाड़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट, यहाँ पे देयर इज इन द किश्तवाड़ डिस्ट्रिक्ट देयर इज इन किश्तवाड़ नेशनल पार्क. विच वन आई सेड? दीज आर द थिंग्स विल नॉट बी इन द नोट्स. Kishtwar National Park. So, which are the national parks we have seen in Jammu and Kashmir? The Chingam, Hemis, completely absorbed या chance of losing. We have seen one by one where. Can you lose from your mind? Yeah, it has been completely remembered. Which I said that? हल्ला नहीं करो, थोड़ा धीरे बोलो. सलीम अली, दालचीनी एंड हिम खा रहे हिमालय. एंड देन आई सेड दैट किश्त में बैठ के किश्त वहाँ पे किश्तवाड़ किश्त होता है क्या घूमने के लिए. सो किश्तवाड़ नेशनल पार्क. दीज आर द 4 नेशनल पार्क्स. नेक्स्ट वन दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी हिमाचल प्रदेश. This is, I say, Himachal Pradesh, and you know that there is a greater Himalaya and there is a middle Himalaya. Understood? And after that, this is greater Himalaya. On this one there is an, I said that nearby Mandi, I said Great Himalayan National Park. I said that Great Himalayan National Park. Second, after the greater Himalaya, here the valley is there, and then Jaskar range. If you remember, Karakoram, Ladakh and and here it is in a valley is there, its name is Lahul Spiti, and one small valley is there, Pin Valley. Which valley? And in this one valley it's in a kind of desert, it's in a kind of, and this is, I said that now, earlier its name was Pin Valley National Park, now it become Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve. Earlier its name is, and it is very cold, and it's in a kind of desert, this side of Greater Himalaya. So we have now, I said that, Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve. Understood? So in Himachal Pradesh, which are the two we have seen? Great Himalayan National Park, and then after crossing the Greater Himalayas, which valley is there? Pin Valley, and in the Pin Valley what we are seeing? Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve. These are the clear. So Jammu and Kashmir, which national park we have seen? Salim Ali, Salim Ali, Dachingam, Hemis, Kishtwar, Greater Himalayan, and then we have seen, yes, Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve. Now we are coming towards Uttarakhand, and in Uttarakhand I said from here you know that there is a Gangotri glacier from where the Bhagirathi river originated, and there is a, you know that Satopant and Bhagirathi Garat from where the Alaknanda, and they meet at D become what? G Ganga. So here we have, in this region where there is a Gangotri glacier or Gomukh glacier, in this region there is a 3 national park. Nearby, which one I said that? Gangotri glacier, there are the 3 national parks. Which are the 3 national parks nearby Gangotri glacier? First I said that Govind Pashu Vihar. Thereafter I said Gangotri. All are G later. And then another I said that Govind National Park. So in Himachal Pradesh, in Uttarakhand I said that nearby Gangotri glacier there are the 3 national parks, which are I said Govind, Pashu Vihar, then Gangotri, and then Govind National Park. Understood? And let us go towards, there is a Chamoli district in Uttarakhand, and you know that from nearby which river is going? Alaknanda, and some rivers are coming from here, and there is a Badrinath. यहाँ पर क्या है? Nearby there is Badrinath and all, and then we have seen there is one Nanda Devi is also there. What is there? Nanda Devi, one of the highest peak we have seen in the Himachal Pradesh, and in the Nanda Devi there is a Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve, and then I said that and then on the Nanda Devi what we used to tribute? Flowers, yes. So 5th one is Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve, and this is Valley of Flower National Park. So the 4th one I said that Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve, and then yes, tell me what is there? Valley of, exactly picture बनाते चलेंगे, साथ में memorize करते रहेंगे, जहाँ पे बताना होगा. I used to say देवी पर क्या देते हैं? What we used to tribute? Giving flowers. So Nanda Devi, and then Biosphere Reserve, and then Valley of Flower. Just below if you'll come, there is in the Nainital, there is a Jim Corbett. What is there? Jim Corbett National Park. Understood? In Nainital, what is there? Jim Corbett National Park. And when you go from Delhi से you'll come towards Haridwar. जैसे ही हरिद्वार में you go, if you have gone nearby mountains, if you have seen, these are the some trees are there. These are the part of a national park. And just go towards Rishikesh and all, you'll see more forest. There is a Rajaji National Park. Which national park is there? The Haridwar, Dehradun. And one more district is there, Pauri. In this one there is, I said that, Rajaji National Park. Understood? So 7 national park in Uttarakhand. Yes? And 2 in what I said that, Himachal. And 4 I said in Jammu and Kashmir. So 4. केवल धीरे धीरे बोलेंगे, not heavily. हल्का सा होना चाहिए. It is not high pitch sound should be there. And then first I said in the Jammu and Kashmir हमने क्या देखा था? सलीम अली द चिंगम. ये दिख गया? Yes, देखना जरूरी है. It is most important part is that where these are. And you come if the question in the come in the means discuss the natural vegetational distribution in the northern India. So आपको पता होना चाहिए. Then reserve and all. Then you can be able to say these are the forests and it is under the reserve category of higher like national parks. And then आपके पास लिखने के लिए you will have. And then in this state these are there. Understood? Automatically आपको 100-150 words मिल गया और थोड़ा सा आप recent में कुछ पढ़ेंगे. Then you will edit more. So I said that. क्या मैंने बोला? सलीम अली दाचिंगम, able to locate Leh Ladakh, Hemis, and then I said Kishtwar. And in Himachal Pradesh we have seen like beyond in the greater Himalaya, Great Himalayan, and then beyond it is there is a valley is there, Peen Valley. In the Peen Valley, which national park I said? Yes, cold desert. And आप उसको ऐसे भी याद कर सकते हैं. You can see that cold. And C को आप ऐसे लिख दो and then यहाँ कर दो. It has been informed in, it is earlier national park in 2009 it become biosphere reserve. It become recent biosphere reserve. And last हमने क्या बोला था? Panna was the last biosphere reserve. Yes or not? In 2011. I said that this is in a great Himalayan and this is I said that Peen Valley or cold desert biosphere reserve. And here I talked about Govind Pashu Vihar, Gangotri, Govind. Then I said that Nanda Devi, Valley of Flower, Nainital mein James Corbett, and the Rajaji. This is completely okay up to this. Any problem till now? याद हो चुका है? And you have an 80% it is in your mind right now. And thereafter we go for Punjab. Punjabi has removed all the forest. They do not have national park. Clear? Haryanvis have little bit forest. And then if after watching this I said that Punjab region, there is an I said this is your Haryana. In the Haryana, you know that Yamuna river, it is Gangotri and यहाँ से Yamunotri, Yamuna river is passing like this. It is along the border of Bihar and for UP and Haryana. And here you can be able to see there is an I said that यहाँ पर एक डैम बनता है हथनी कुंज on the Yamuna river. Which dam is there? और यम कैसे दिखते हैं? हाथी की तरह. हथनी कुंज dam is there. And yam, what is the color of yam? हिंदी में बोलो. काला. उनका सर का कलर कैसा होगा? What is the color of his head? Kala. So which national park is there? Kalesar National Park. And then I said that Gurgaon. Which one I said that? Now it become Gurugram. And then आजकल के डेट में the what I said that Guru like Wajiram and all they are becoming Sultan. They are वो लोग क्या हो चुके हैं? They become what? And in this region Gurugram में I said which national park? Sultanpur National Park. So Haryana has which national park we have seen? Here it is, I said that Kalesar. And in the Gurugram, which national park? Sultanpur. Till now everything is okay in your mind? Thereafter you know that this is your UP. It is your what? And from this reason you can understand that one Sarda river is coming, Kali river and becomes Sarda. And यहाँ पर शारदा माँ सभी बच्चों को दूध पिलाती हैं और खीर खिलाती हैं. So Dudhwa. I said in UP. Which national park? And this district is Kheri district और लखीमपुर भी बोला जाता है in UP. I said that which national park we have seen? Dudhwa National Park. Understood it? Which national park? And do you know Champaran Satyagraha? The first experiment with the truth and non-violence. First experiment with what? Yes. And then after that the Gandhi become famous. And every leader become what? Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who is supposed to be what is very famous before it. And there is which one? Home rule movement.